Hi guys, it's Katie. I have my meal plan for Meal Plan Monday. If you want to subscribe if you haven't already, I'm going to be doing meal plans every Monday going forward, as long as I can go. Hopefully the whole year. Okay, so I think I said in last week's meal plan that I was going to do a big turkey dinner. Well, not big, but a turkey on Sunday, and then I could kind of use the leftovers throughout the week. I ended up doing a ham instead. I have more hams, and also the hams were in the top of the freezer and the turkeys are in the bottom of the freezer. So it's kind of the same difference as far as I'm concerned. So I just put it in my Dutch oven and I put it in the oven. And then I did baked sweet potatoes and green beans. So pretty simple, but a nice kind of Sunday dinner. And then I have, like I said, leftover makeover meals for the leftover ham. We're going to start Monday with our grain bowl. I said in last week's meal plan I want to do grain bowls weekly or at least semi-regularly. I really like the idea of having them on Mondays since my grain bowls will, the majority of the time, will be meatless. I know Meatless Monday is a trend, but also because I usually do my grocery shopping and try to do my meal prep on Monday. There's usually a significant amount of veggie prep for these because these are basically vegetable dense plant-based meals. So I thought that would work out perfectly. It also is kind of start our week off on the right foot. If we got off track as far as healthy eating over the weekend, it'll kind of set us up for success for Monday. So I'm going to try to do this, the food prep for as much as I can and film it for you. I want to do that as often as I can. It's a little bit more tricky, but I was thinking, sorry, this is an aside. This is going to be chatty because that's how I roll. But I think I'm going to try to film as much as I can. A lot of times I have good intentions of filming, but it's just not a good filming environment, you know, screaming kids or whatever. So I was thinking I might try to film as much as I can and then just do like speed food preps just to kind of get a motivational video out. And then I will also try to do more explained food preps to kind of give you actual tips and tricks and things like that. So yeah, that way I can hopefully get more food prep videos out to you because I know that they are a favorite. Anyway, where was I? Monday's grain bowl. I told you, oh, I didn't tell you what I'm going to put in it yet. I wrote everything down that I'm going to put in it just because since I'm new to this, I don't want to get stuck for ideas. Also, I want to be able to look back at this meal plan and know exactly what I put in it. So I kind of put a lot of things. I may or may not put everything in this, but I wanted to have lots of options. So for this week, we're going to do a brown rice, a cilantro lime brown rice. So basically you just make whatever kind of rice and then you add some chopped up fresh cilantro and lime juice and it turns rice into something really, really delicious. I'm going to do some seasoned red beans. I want to do red beans or black beans. I have red beans already canned. I'm hoping to can some black beans. So I think I have another meal that has beans in it, so this way I can have an option to do red beans for one of the meals and black beans for the other. But I'm just going to take them and I'm going to rinse them, and I'm just going to do a really easy like chili powder or garlic powder, maybe a little cumin to season them up a little bit. I wrote fermented jalapenos. That's just you know, an idea if I feel like it needs a little something, since I have those already made up and they're in the fridge. I want to make a mango, red onion, and lime salsa / relish. I also have some other vegetables that I'll either just add as a topping or I might add into this salsa / relish. I don't know what you would call it. But basically I'm just going to dice up mango, dice up red onion, add some lime juice, and then I'll have scallions and diced up red bell pepper. So like I said, I'll either do those separately or all together in one kind of condiment. I want to get avocados. Hopefully I can find some good ones for a decent price. I got some from Aldi last week. They were 59 cents and they were amazing. I haven't bought avocados in so long because they've been really pricey. But those cheap ones at Aldi were really good. But they're on my counter right now. I'm not sure if they'll last till Monday, but avocado would be really good in this, I think. And then I'll shred up some romaine lettuce to kind of round it out. So that's Monday. Tuesday, we're going to have ham leftovers, so just sliced up ham that I'll warm up, and then I'm going to make different sides to kind of make it a new meal. So I'll do a potato salad and greens, so probably kale and or collard greens, and I just basically braise them. Wednesday, we'll have egg burritos with bacon and salsa, and then peppers and onions. I wrote peppers and onions in a few places. I got some at Aldi. They had the 3-pack of the colored peppers, like the red, orange, yellow, and they were a really good price, like $1.69 for 3 peppers. That's a good price for green peppers, especially in, you know, the dead of winter. So I have quite a few peppers, and so I'm going to put some here in the egg burritos. I'll put some of the peppers in the grain bowl. I have a couple other meals to use them up, so I just put that to remind me that peppers and onions, kind of like fajita style peppers and onions, in with the eggs and bacon, I think would be really good. And then the fruit will be whatever looks good at H Mart. Thursday, I'm going to make ham and pineapple stir fry. Again, I'm going to use bell peppers, onions. I think red bell pepper go really good with ham and pineapple, whether it's pizza toppings or in a stir fry. And then I'll serve that over some rice, white rice or brown rice. I haven't decided yet. Friday, we're going to make Southwestern chicken and black bean soup. I found this recipe on Spark People. I can try to link it down below, but really there's not much to it. You just fry some onions and bell pepper. Again, there's bell pepper in this. Onions and bell pepper in a little bit of oil. You add paprika, garlic powder, and like a little bit of cumin, I think. And then once that fries for just like 15 seconds, you add chicken stock, canned tomatoes, diced up chicken breast, and canned black beans. So that's where the black beans come in. So yeah, we'll see if I get black beans canned. Otherwise, it's going to be red beans. And you just simmer it, and it's just, I don't know, it's just like a chicken vegetable soup, but a little bit different. And then I'll get some tortilla chips to go with that. Oh, I don't even know where I was. Here I am, Saturday. Liver and onions, mashed potatoes, and peas. My family likes liver and onions, and we have a lot of liver from our cow order. So when I got the cow order was like last January. I purposely was trying to eat it throughout the year, but I don't know, there's just so much. It didn't seem like that much, but I don't know, I guess a little goes a long way or something. But we still have a few packs of liver left, so that's an easy meal because I always have onions, I always have potatoes, I always have frozen peas, and apparently I always have liver, so I don't even have to think about anything for this. And then on Sunday, I'm going to make kimchi fried rice. I have some older kimchi that kind of got shoved in the back of my fridge, so I will use that. I will link Ming Chi's channel. She has 2 versions, one where it's basically just kimchi and rice, but the kimchi has so many vegetables, and it has cabbage, of course, and mine has carrot and some scallion and ginger and garlic, and so it's got a lot of flavor to it. She also has another recipe where she uses other vegetables to make it a little fancier. I don't really follow that recipe. Basically all I do is I make a regular fried rice. I have a venison steak that I'll probably cut up into small strips to add to it, so just like a really simple using up the stuff in the back of the fridge kind of fried rice. And then I chop up some kimchi, and then after I serve my children theirs, I stir the kimchi into my husband and I's. And it's a little too spicy for our kids, but I really love the flavor of that. A little bit of kimchi gets stirred into fried rice. It's just really good. Especially if you make the fried rice a little bit sweet, like with oyster sauce or hoisin sauce or something like that, and then you have the kimchi. Oh, it's so delicious. And it's nice and warm and filling and spicy and perfect for cold weather. Okay, I think I've talked quite a bit. Most of my grocery list is just the produce that I need. I'm working a lot out of my pantry and my freezer, so I don't really need to buy any meat or any like staples or anything like that. So just produce. So I'm hoping to go to H Mart and get a big stock up on produce, sort of grocery haul. Anyway, it's late at night. Everybody's asleep but me. I should go to sleep though. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the grocery haul, found something helpful in it, and I will see you guys next Monday, if not sooner. Thanks for watching.